In the unpredictable market for digital currencies, Holochain has experienced an excessive number of highs and lows. However, Holochain never failed to take us by surprise. The experts believe that the Holochain will soon be the dominant coin across the entire crypto market due to the quick growth of its associated technological improvements. In today's video, we'll discuss the potential price breakout of Holochain. We will discuss the current price positive catalyst, as well as the forthcoming price breakout, which is predicted to be a 7,000% green change. That is crazy. By the end of this video, you will have a much better understanding of this token's price trajectory. So make sure you watch this video all the way through. If you want to keep watching such videos, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell alerts so you are constantly up to date on what is going on in the market. It just took 3 years for the Holochain to become the world's 30th largest cryptocurrency by market valuation. Its rapid rise makes it one of the most accessible cryptos on the market. Indeed, but how much will Holochains be worth at the end of 2022 and in 2023? We've created a list of some of the most convincing hot price forecasts. You can determine whether this asset is rising or falling rapidly. We'll take another look at what the top analysts think the price of Hot Holochain is an open-source project. In the most recent few months, there has been an increase in the adoption of Holochain, and the industry has witnessed the development of various new applications that make use of Holochain. It is the objective of the Holochain architecture to supply software developers with an alternative to blockchains that is intended to be both less expensive and more scalable than blockchains. The platform is less expensive, does not employ conventional procedures for reaching consensus, and thanks to its distributed hash table, it offers rapid transaction finality. The platform's objective is to reduce the role that companies play online while fostering the growth of a more person-oriented internet. The users of Holochain will have increased control over the data that pertains to them as a result of the development of this blockchain technology. At the same time, it connects to and conducts transactions with applications that are able to satisfy the requirements of application hosts without the participation of centralized entities. These applications are able to do so because they are capable of fulfilling the requirements on their own. When compared to the amount of energy required by traditional blockchains, the amount of energy required to generate holo tokens is substantially lower when using holo networks because mining and staking are not included in holochains in the same way that they are in regular blockchains. The proprietors are eager to share their unique technology, but only within the context of the Holochain open-source framework, which will assure end-user protection. France considers Holochain to be an emerging technology. The French Ministry of Culture announced a mission to revolutionize the cultural and creative sectors using digital technology in order to support new projects, naming Holochain as one of the upcoming technologies that could assist the project. What exactly is a Holochain? Holo is an innovative marketplace and distributed cloud hosting network. Ordinary online users can use peer-to-peer Holochain apps. Anyone with a computer can host distributed applications and make money from it. The architecture is based on distinct source chains with independent nodes validated against each other, allowing hosts to run multiple full nodes on a mobile device. In comparison to traditional blockchains, this makes Holochain a greener alternative because there is no mining component in the Holochain. Electricity consumption is decreased, making it a more environmentally friendly alternative. The Holochain platform is quickly gaining popularity. According to CoinMarketCap, the popular cryptocurrency price will grow even further by the end of 2021. Let's wait and see what the analysts say. In April 2018, Holochain Pricing Analysis and analyst Simon Holo had an initial community offering. Eventually, 177.6 billion HOT were minted, with 133.2 billion reserved for public sale and 44.4 billion reserved for the firm and its employees. The corporation intends to swap HOT tokens for Holo Fuel tokens at a 1-to-1 ratio. Holo Fuel is a Holochain-based currency that will primarily be used to pay Holo hosts for their services by Holochain application providers. There is no limit to the availability of Holo Fuel. It is algorithmically managed, expanding and contracting in response to demand. Holo thinks that by doing so, the price of its tokens will be generally constant rather than vulnerable to extreme price swings. Holo prices began to rise in mid-March 2021. Prior to the patent release in early February, the HOT USD price soared by more than 4,000%, rising from $0.03. Until that point, commerce had been nearly flat. In my opinion, each cryptocurrency project should be considered as a startup, regardless of the token, its worth, or the price fluctuations. The principles of the project should pique our curiosity. What are the project's objectives? Who is it intended for? What issues does it address? What is currently in place? What are the future plans, etc.? Holochain is a creative new product that is unlike any other blockchain. According to the founders, the Holochain is a safer, more personalized, and faster network than Ethereum. This is a high-profile statement, and it will be interesting to see whether the team will be able to carry out their vision. During the ICO boom, many projects position themselves as Ethereum, disruptive projects with the potential to transform all aspects of economic and social life exist, but 99% of them do not. Is there any benefit to using a holochain? I doubt it. Rather, the market is evolving, and each new venture adds something new to it with the possibility of future usage. For example, unlike other blockchains, the IOTA network automatically scales at high loads and can handle even more transactions, which means that the load makes the IOTA network even faster. Scalability is a problem for Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, there are plenty of alternative scalable projects available now. He stated, Holochain is clearly a project with an interesting concept and idea, but in my humble opinion, at the time, it has to contribute something of value to the industry to establish some new direction like DeFi or NFT. I wouldn't be concerned with hype or potential token growth in the near future. Keep an eye on the project's progress and invest in the fundamentals to analyze the future price of holochains. Use the price projection from 2022 to 2028. Let's look at some of the most recent hot coin forecasts. Point according to the PDS Holochain estimate, it might hit 7 cents by the end of the year. Analysts predict that HIT will trade at 10 cents in 5 years. According to Trading Beasts, the price of holo will hit 1 cent in December 2021 and will rise to 2 cents by the end of 2022. Digital Currency 2 has a conservatively positive outlook and a high crypto price projection, with a gradual increase expected from 2021 to 2028. While long-term cryptocurrency predictions are not an exact science, Coinpedia believes holo will gain traction in the communication environment. Holochain, as the coin for ordinary internet users, is well positioned for successful development over the next 5 years. Another analytical source indicates that wallet investors appear to be undecided about whether holo is a buy or sell. It provides a 1 cent median price target for the next 12 months based on hot and excellent long-term investments. Based on their holo price projection, 2026 over the next 5 years, the price of cryptocurrencies will grow to 5 cents. That concludes today's video, gentlemen. It should be noted that the video's viewpoint is not investment advice. It is just presented for educational reasons. Because every investment and trade involves risk, you should always do research before making a decision. If you enjoy the film, please share your thoughts in the comments area. Furthermore, if you are new to the channel and have not yet subscribed, please do so and click the bell button so you do not miss any helpful or instructive daily video. See you in next video. Until then, best of luck.